It was soon nighttime by the time Ked left the quarry, and he was on his way home, really, really tired. But on the bright side, he liked this kind of line. The windmill, and the wind, and a good view of the sun setting. But unfortunately, another train had accidentally broke loose of a car filled with flour, and the conductor has gone for help.
Dun, 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 dun.
Cat broke the truck into pieces, many pieces, and flour went everywhere. Cat slowly puffed up to the shed and whistled. Whoa, wait, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? Wait, Jack, quit messing with me, dude.
Oh, I am the ghost train. You shall fear me.
You know, Jack, I have heard news. Timothy 2010 is actually gaining up on us, so I need to go make sure that doesn't happen. Bye.